Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine at your home. Welcome back to the another session of English class with Miss Priyanka. I am going to tell you the new words with the gist of the story of the chapter Lalu and Pilu. Before starting, I want to tell you that we will read the words by breaking method, and when we will break the words, we will clap. Suppose we will break the word twice, so we will clap 2 times. 1, 2. If we will break the word thrice, so we will clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And if we will break the word 4 times, so we will clap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with new words, but I request you all to be attentive in the class and pay attention to whatever I tell you and show you. The first word is hen. Hen, hen. H plus n is equal to hen. Hen is the feminine gender of cock. And the story is about the mother hen. Yes. The hen is the name of a bird, so it is a noun. Now, can you find a vowel in this word hen? Find it? Yes, there is a vowel. Here in the word hen, E is the vowel over here. Now we have break this word twice. So how many times we will clap, children? Clap with me. 1, 2. The second word is chicks. CHICKS, chicks. Ch plus ik plus s. Chicks are the young one of hen. Now children, tell me, how many chicks do the mother hen have? Yes, she have 2 chicks and their names were Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was of red color, so he liked red color things, and Pilu was of yellow color, so he liked yellow colored things. Chick is the name of a bird, so it is also a noun. Can you find a vowel in this word? Yes, there is a vowel. Find it. There is a vowel. Yes, children. Yes, here is the vowel I. Now, how many times we have to clap, children? Tell me. Clap with me. 1, 2, 3. The third word is plant. Plant, plant. Pl plus an plus t is equal to plant. In this story, Lalu saw something on a plant. The plant is a name, so it is a noun. Now children, tell me, can you find a vowel in this word? Yes, there is a vowel. Find it fast. Here, A is the vowel in the word plant. Now tell me, children, how many times we have break this word? Yes, we have break this word 3 times. So we will clap 3 times. Clap with me. 1, 2, 3. The fourth word is chili. CHILLI. Ch plus il plus li. Chilli is equal to chili. Now children, tell me, Lalu saw something on a plant. What was it? Yes, it was a red chili. Chili is called the name of a spice, so it is also a noun. Now tell me, can you find any vowel? Yes, find it. Yes, there is a wall. Very good. There are two walls. Double I. Yes, one is after H and one is after double L. Now, how many times you have break this word? Clap with me. Ch, illi, chili. Now we will clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The fifth word is screaming. 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 Screaming is equal to screaming. Yes, in this story, Lalu and Pilu, when Lalu saw a red chili on a plant, what does he do? He ate it up. And what happened then? His mouth started burning. Then what he did? He screamed loudly. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of screaming? To cry out loudly in a high voice because you are afraid, or you can say excited, or angry, or in pain. Here, Lalu was in pain because he has eaten a red chili, so his mouth was burning. Screaming word is not the name of anything, so it is not a noun. Now, can you find a vowel in the word screaming? Yes, find it fast, children. There is a vowel. Yes, there are many vowels. Find out. Here, E, A, I, there are how many vowels? 3 vowels. And now tell me how many times we have break this word? 4 times. So, how many times we will clap? 4 times. Clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The sixth and the last word is gobbled. 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 G plus OB plus BL plus D. Gobbled. Gobbled is equal to gobbled. Now, what happened in this story? When Lalu's mouth was burning, Pilu and mother hen came running, and Pilu gave Lalu a laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu and his mouth stopped burning. Then mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. Here the story ends and the new words too. Gobbled is not a name of anything, so it is not a noun. Now tell me, can you find a vowel? Yes, find it. Here O and E are vowels. Very good. Now tell me how many times we have break this word? We have break this word 4 times. So we will clap 4 times. Come on, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. I hope, children, you enjoyed the story and the new words too. So, here we come to the end of the session. We will see you tomorrow. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.